Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today we're actually going to unbox two warmers because I think they go together. I believe they should go together. So we're going to do them together. We are going to be doing Pond's Edge. That light is in my way, but we're going to move on. And we're going to be doing Mallard. So get it? Pond, Mallard, you get it? Let's go. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So today we're going to take some time away from fall, winter, and go ahead and unbox a couple warmers from our actual catalog. These need to go together, like they go perfectly together. So we are going to be unboxing Pond's Edge and Mallard because they just have to go together. So we're going to open up Pond's Edge first. It is a mini warmer. So let's go ahead and open it up. These were the two in the catalog. This is the catalog, fall, winter, just dropped. Look how gorgeous that is. These were the two that I was like, yeah, I gotta have that. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so when you open it up, you get your light bulb, which I already have one plugged into where I'm gonna be plugging this. So we're gonna put that right back in. And you also get your plug-in, okay? It comes with a plug-in. And this is for glass. The one for ceramic is different, okay? Now, you just basically turn it on and off right there. And if you have horizontal plugs, we have a button right here. If your outlet is horizontal, that you can switch this up, okay? So that way you can still use your warmer. So that's fantastic. We're actually not gonna use this right now because I want to be able to show you how it looks lit up. And so I am going to be using a tabletop base. This is the one for glass. These are an additional $15, but I love to have stuff sitting on surfaces. So I always purchase this. I love these. I have a bunch of them. And let's go ahead and check it out. Oh my gosh, that's cute. That is so cute. All right. I gotta take the trash out in a minute, so let's put this. I put all my warmers in Tupperwares, so I gotta get rid of that tonight, or I'm gonna be stuck with it for a week. All right, there we go. Moving on. Okay, so this is Pond's Edge. I'm gonna turn. Actually, should I turn this way? Will you be able to see? Yeah, you'll be able to see just fine. Actually, I should just go ahead and turn it off. There we go. So this is what it looks like. When it is not plugged in. This is the glass dish. This is where your wax goes, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here, and this one spins like that. You just screw it on. And, okay, so here we go. 1, 2, and 3. So that is what Pond's Edge looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's super, like, perfect for Western. I think it's gorgeous, and I think it would look great with like pumpkins and stuff like that. I think it would look beautiful, but you gotta see it with Mallard. So we're gonna put Pond's Edge here. I'm gonna scoot this out so you can still see the warmer. You can still see it. Okay, so now we are gonna open up Mallard, and the detail on this is gonna blow your mind. You're gonna be like, pow. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. So stinking cute. Oh, I've wanted this one. Oh my gosh. Now this one does not have a light bulb, okay? This one is an element warmer, so it just has a heating plate. So this is great for like a bedroom or somewhere where you don't want a lot of light. So let's go ahead and look at the detail on this. Maybe I'll put some light on this one. Okay, so you can see. So look at how stinking cute that is. It looks like it's been carved, but it's ceramic. It's not wood. But it looks like it's been carved. And that is so beautiful if you're like into hunting or just love nature. So pretty, right? So now you have the Pond's Edge and the Mallard. And I just think they need to be side by side because like, get it? Pond, duck pond. But I just love it. I think it's so stinking pretty. I've been wanting this one. I'm so excited to have it. So excited. So that is Mallard and Pond's Edge. And if you are interested in grabbing that, let me know. You can go to the link in my bio and grab those. These are so cute. So cute. You need them. And I hope you like my video and follow for more. And hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.